Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. I had a project all figured out for you there. We did it, filmed it, and then some fool, yep, there's the fool. Yesterday I thought I'd already downloaded all the footage. No. So let's turn back around to this. We had fixed Carolyn another chicken coop. Let's step on in. It's starting to rain again. This is this is an old piece of rug that we hung up there for the goats this past winter. And then this also here is some of the plywood OSB board that we had got after the flood. We had used that there. We had a pretty good video fixed, and we was going to Carolyn's mom's yesterday. And like I said, I thought I'd already downloaded the footage. I didn't take time to go in and check it. Well, I hadn't. Formatted the SD card. But anyway, here is the other chicken coop. Right now, we have got several roosters, and this is another set out here. Roosters and hens. The one day we had been letting them free range, and they was down in the garden, down in the corn. Take this around here so you can see. Up there we've got the wire up, utility wire. Nothing should be able to get in. Now, come fall, I've got some wood shavings I'm going to come up here and throw out right there. And we'll also later on, we like to use the chicken tunnels, and we should have enough wire left to where we can make a couple of them extensions where they can go out. But anyway, ain't nothing fancy. Tomorrow, Lord willing, today you all be watching this. You stay back, goats. I still gotta fix Carolyn a little rope there to pull the door to. But ain't nothing fancy. Up there's some of the chickens. You might be able to see them. It's kind of dark in here. But we just fixed them a door down there to where they can go out, come in and out. We wasn't really using this room for anything. And there's enough room here if we do get some more hens, or that one when she hatch, hopefully, Lord willing, she hatches them out. We may introduce them up here with these. Like I said, some of Carolyn's hens are getting on the older side. Time to start thinking about replacements for the old gals. It's been raining a couple times a day. Oh, by the way, to all your fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Belated. But no, I sat down and started editing the video and realized I did not have the footage. And as soon as I started doing that, I thought, well, I formatted this SD card. Gonna have to make sure I don't do that no more. But no. Oh well. This will be a quick video for you. Hello, you want to see the camera? Yeah. Bunny. And then there's her little boy MJ. But no, it's working good for her so far. And we fixed the water thing at the back, right there at the rain gutter where it'll come down. Like I said, it is absolutely poured to rain at times today, and they're giving rain rest of this week off and on, so we'll be doing inside projects this week. And tomorrow we'll get up here and fix Carolyn some nesting boxes in here, and we'll try to film that for you. Goats, like I said, goats can be mean, folks. But no, I'll let you go. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe, take care. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. If nothing happens, Carolyn's going to have us a good meal for what's for supper Wednesday this week. Alrighty guys, I'll let you go. Thank y'all for watching. Take care. Alrighty, we made it back over. There's what me and Daniel planted the other day. We labeled there what they are and everything. Alrighty folks, thank you for watching.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon.